Sometimes people ask me why my grandfather decided to start making coffee grinders back in 1948. I asked this question to my father, and the truth is we don't know. I think people from Veneto really enjoy making things, whether it's glass blowing, prosecco making, or art. It's something that's deep into our roots and our culture. Maybe something people don't realize about Mazzer is the fact that we basically make every component that it's possible to make in a workshop. We make it in here, in-house. Whether it's cables or the tiny screws that go into the grinder. For instance, the motor, we don't buy, off-the-shelf commercial motor, but we design them ourselves.
It all helps me think. I don't like the empty desk.
I think especially burrs making is a very complex and complicated business. And I think the only way to learn that is to do mistakes, over and over a long time. And I think we have had 80 years to make, some mistakes and to correct them.
Quello che rende speciali le macine di Mazzer che riguarda l'assenza di compromessi.
My father always says that, and please don't put this on record, but it's not a problem if a customer doesn't pay, but it's a problem if a grinder doesn't work. Maybe something that not everybody knows is the fact that Mazzer is a family-owned company.
Ritorno sempre di nuovo anche al contrasto tra un'azienda che parte dal piccolo, cioè da una famiglia, da una località piccola in Italia, che però fa dei prodotti di fama internazionale che vengono usati da clienti in tutti i continenti, in qualsiasi zona del mondo.
I love working with my father. I think it's one of the best parts of this job. He's a very joyful, energetic and warm person. One of the things I admire the most from him is the level of precision that he has. He was able to translate that into the way we make things here. I think it's super inspiring.
Mio papà comunque lo faceva sembrare più facile di quello che era, solo poi una volta effettivamente entrata ho capito quanto le cose siano più da costruire mattoncino per mattoncino tutti i giorni.
Sometimes it feels inevitable for companies to, offshore production and go elsewhere in the world where it costs less. But, for me, something that is not negotiable is the fact that we will always make our grinders here. I think the driving force behind Mazzer is the fact that even if we have a very good product in front of us, we are never satisfied about it. It's about being happy but never fully satisfied, and to push yourself to improve every day, a centimeter.
We appreciate it very much.
I did it for you.
Thank you.